Ka Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Regional Office Shillong haringkat ka jingatray lang bat ka project Clean Surrounding hakashipo taring unay wing arajar arpulay kum ka jingyo I ka jingdon kam halor ka mat ban wanra ka Pynkhuid jingsuba hakishnong gitaw ban yarap hakabaya day bat ka Jingkylla ka Mariang bat ban pensnguthu shakipat ba nong shnong ka jilla halor ki benta ki bakta ka Mariang bat ka ka Briew ula ban le ban yarap habaya day bat ka ni Badru komisi benta ban ya chakmat ya commission lifestyle for environment kalas dang da kabalet ban Pynkhuid ya kawai kawa hakashnong Mawlyngngad kabadan Mawlyngngad bat kabaha papo ka East Khasi Hills district Hakabay day bat kanila yo ban kran bat ka Deputy Director General Forest ka Ministry of Environment Forest ka Atiar kabalaong baka syong haka jingle jongki Briew laraki kwa ban wanra ka Jingkylla ka babha haka Mariang.
Okay, this is actually a part of Mission Life. That is capital L, I, capital F and capital E, which means lifestyle for environment. So this is an India-led global movement, and this is to, live a lifestyle which is in consonance with nature, which is eco-friendly and which will help in mitigation of climate change. So for the first time, I think the one thing different about this is that before, when we talk of climate change and climate change mitigation and all that, we used to think of, so many countries getting together, signing big international treaties and so many other things, pacts and agreements. But for the first time now, we are saying that climate change, you and I can make a difference. We all, each individually and as a whole, we contribute to climate change. And if we live an environment-friendly lifestyle, if we adopt that, all of us put together can make a difference and we can mitigate the impact of climate change. So this is the program here. But going one step further, this was we were supposed to carry it out from my office and as a build-up to the World Environment Day and all that. Then we thought that since Meghalaya has so many cement factories, we have lots of wood-based industries. So, and the general perception of the people is that these industries are all polluting, this thing, they are not environmentally aware, they are not concerned and all that. So I called all of them together and we said, okay, now let us all get together and do something for the environment. So we have had contributions from all of them in the different articles, like this jute bag that you are holding now. That is to one of the themes of life is to avoid single-use plastics. So for that we have made this jute bags and we are giving to many people. Then we have been distributing car stickers all over. We have distributed thousands of car stickers. This is the jute bag here, and then these are the car stickers that we have distributed all over this thing. And then also we are using this steel bottles also, so that people avoid using plastic bottles. And many times almost everyone carries plastic bottles in their car. When they finish the water, they just throw it out on the roadside. And also to prevent that, we are saying please do use steel bottles, which is good for your health as well as for the environment. And then this cleaning drive also is also a part of it. The river system that's already been choked with a lot of waste, and especially plastic waste. So we thought we'll all get together and do this program as well. And then we are also in keeping with the 8 themes of life. It has themes like we have given here. So to reduce waste, we have also trained and distributed composting bins where everyone can compost their kitchen waste. So that is in keeping with the theme of reducing waste. And like I said, this one is in keeping with say no to single-use plastics, this jute bag, and healthy lifestyles. And even in the office, we are now keeping all identified indoor air purifying plants inside the office, so that we don't have to use all those aerosols and other air purifying system in the office also. So in a little ways, we are trying to adopt these little changes. We have all of us here, we have taken a pledge, which is the life pledge. You can also go to our the life website and you can download the pledge. And once you take a pledge, you can even get a certificate. So you can do that as well.
So, ma'am, the main aim of this of the thing that you're doing is to reduce the is to what means to spread awareness to people that not to
Yes.
use plastic.
Not in general, it is that we have to go for a mindful and deliberate utilization of our resources, instead of that destructive and consumptive use that we have been doing now. And then the concept here is that it's not big country prime ministers, presidents signing accords and conventions that is the only way out of climate change, but that you and I as individuals, if we change our lifestyle, if we save energy, save water, reduce waste, and refuse single-use plastics, and keep our surrounding clean, so that is how all of us, because you and I, we are part of a 140 crore people. So we make up that people. So if all of us do it, we can make a change. And as officials and all that, we are a little restrained with our time and reach. So we have roped in the project Clean Surrounding. You can just turn the camera there and show that. We have been associated with a lot of cleaning projects in around Shillong. So we have taken them on board as our local NGO partner, and so we're carrying this forward. We'll be going forward with many more such programs. And this time I'm also thinking that we are going to recycle old tires and other waste to convert it into Christmas decor. So we will be doing that after this, and our life program continues. Tomorrow also we have a gathering of an organization of women, so there also we are giving a talk on life, and we are giving them hands-on sessions on DIYs and recycling and reducing waste. So
Nakalyang ba Jefferson kenjing utrai ka project Clean Surrounding uloong. Ba kajing Pynkhuid yang kawa kalong man ay nuksa Shakiway ba tang hasor kila banle yang kam Henry Shiki Jaka ki bakendong ru.
Ba Jeff long pen batai khendiat halo kani ka jingwan jong phim takasni bende kani ka cleaning drive.
Hoi kani ka jingwan jongi mata kasni sani banle kani ka cleaning drive ka jing sisa ka dai lemba kani ka Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Di vi ngadon ka jing dai ka bakhamjan matki namar ngila trailang matki la don gatto kani nadu bingilita sticker namanta ki ni ki kani hi sticker bing silita po kali lemba ki awareness programs but ki we de ki kam gi bing tre but ki hakaliang ka khut suba te kani ka jingwan jongi mata ka sni sani mene Pynkhuid ka wa hangi ka po Mawlyngngad ka dai lemba ka jing ya nongkum no ka jing ya perkhat ka bala slam bangi la ya plan ban Pynkhuid ginu kiwa jing sisa ngi lamun banlek sapo ka line smith ndai nomor bi sorar smith ka tu yong mai mlak mentang singi tingi mansi bingin hamwan no sni spo Mawlyngngad te kani ka wa ro ngi ba khamja bo hi ban menero ngi la de Pynkhuid kani ka madan madia ni mat giwan pikini Briew kini kitai ngimtem te kani ka jing Pynkhuid wa ka dei ka wei na ki jing thumu jong kani ka office ka regional office ka bronte halom betengen ba ki kwa banle AA tengala suggest ki katu kani ki ong em ngi kwa khamsa nong pendong namar phinapet kum spo wa kaliaro labun gi baleng hapuluro la don hi bo Pynkhuid serpiro la don hi bo Pynkhuid phinong tu ka itu ka wa ka barit mo ka wa na kanala hajan mar persya senmen sisin ngi kontrat sangma bat kiwi ki tim ti gila Pynkhuid khenru ngi lai i gila Pynkhuid nakaliang ka to ka mission life hi tambal lemba ka municipal lagi ka to la dangam baklas po umpling ti natakraw ngi kwa long nakaliang joki soyami ka tabi ki kwa yang ini le Shakiway ki jaka ki bakimpot rio i kum kani ka jan khana makalong ka nuksai ki te dei lemba ita bangi sia poi shani ka ringkat bat ka kani ka Ministry of Forest and Environment lemba kani ka life mission mo ka bakidon life mission means lifestyle for environment.